Welcome to the Lab on the Cloud evaluation of Renesas CN032, AC Servo solution powered by 10xer Labs Live Bench. This video introduces a reference motor control kit featuring the RZT2M MPU and a 220-volt AC servo motor. It includes the controller and inverter boards, an absolute encoder servo motor, and motor control software with multiple control modes and real-time position and speed visualization. The setup features the CN032-1 connected to an AC servo motor, allowing users to control the motor in real time. The Renesas application is connected to the lab via serial communication and streamed to the user, enabling remote parameter control and live evaluation of system performance. Click Plug-in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. The design page is organized into three main sections: input for user controls, output for monitoring results, and a central staging area. Users can click any tile to maximize it in the staging area for a more detailed view. For example, staging the live video tile allows users to observe the motor's activity, such as its rotation, in real time. To control the motor control application must first be configured. Let's stage the application. Select COM6 and Demonstration Mode, and click OK. The application supports multiple control modes, including position and speed control. To run the motor in position mode, turn on the servo, select the rotation direction, enter the target position, and click Start. Quick info: a distance value of 65,536 corresponds to one complete rotation of the motor. The motor will then rotate to the set position, visible in real time through the live video tile. The speed control mode can also be demonstrated by selecting the appropriate settings, such as speed, direction, etc. Throughout the operation, the live rotor position data, captured by encoder, is continuously displayed in the application. For more info on the motor control application, a detailed guide is available in this section. The design also features a progress log, providing real-time updates on the evaluation flow. The AI-powered Knowledge Assistant provides instant help about the EVK, as well as the live bench evaluation, using information curated from datasheets. For detailed information on components, lab or evaluation process, head over to the hamburger menu here, containing the user manual, purchase link, board bring-up guide, and other resources. Thank you, and happy evaluation.